Welcome to my channel. Today we are exploring the Smelne Veenje Kotter 980, a timeless Dutch steel motorsailer built in 1976. This vessel represents the pinnacle of Dutch craftsmanship of its era, combining elegance, robustness, and functionality in a compact 9.8-meter yacht. From its traditional round bilge hull painted in deep red to its warm varnished wooden superstructure, this boat exudes classic charm while offering practical performance. As we take you through this review, we will explore every detail, from the exterior styling to the interior features, performance aspects, and what makes this motorsailer unique even decades after its launch. The first thing that captures attention is the exterior design of the Smelne Veenje Kotter 980. Its hull is traditional round bilge steel, painted in a rich deep red with a thin white waterline and subtle cream boot stripe that accentuates its sleek lines. The curvature of the hull is smooth and elegant, designed not only for aesthetic appeal but for efficient movement through the water. The bow has a graceful shape that cuts through waves efficiently, while the aft has a sturdy yet refined presence, giving the yacht a balanced profile from every angle. The varnished golden brown wood of the wheelhouse and superstructure adds warmth and a sense of luxury, complemented by finely crafted pilothouse trim and wide side decks that ensure easy movement on deck. One can immediately notice the attention to detail in the handrails, roof vents, and deck fittings, all polished and maintained to the highest standards, reflecting the Dutch commitment to quality. This motorsailer features a ketch rig with two varnished wooden masts, allowing versatile sail configurations for different wind conditions. The sails are typically furled, either in a classic tan or muted green, which maintains the traditional aesthetic. The stainless steel rigging is precise and durable, visible from the deck and overhead, adding to the authenticity of this classic yacht. From the stern, the Dutch flag proudly flies, a nod to its heritage. The outdoor helm or control station, located aft on the deck, is practical yet elegant, with a varnished wooden steering wheel and polished instruments, making navigation an enjoyable and tactile experience. Stepping inside, the main salon offers a warm and inviting atmosphere, reflecting the craftsmanship that Smelne yachts are known for. The varnished wood paneling and cabinetry create a feeling of intimacy while maintaining a sense of spaciousness thanks to large windows. Comfortable upholstered settees line the cabin, with a polished wooden table that invites conversation, meals, or planning a day on the water. Shelves and cabinets are thoughtfully integrated, offering both functionality and decorative space for nautical items. The smooth curves of the cabin walls and the well-placed handrails make movement easy even in rough seas. Ambient lighting and the natural light streaming through the windows create a welcoming environment, perfect for family cruising or entertaining guests. The galley is compact but highly functional, featuring warm wood cabinetry, built-in appliances, and practical storage solutions. A marine stove, oven, and sink are neatly integrated, with polished faucets and countertops providing both utility and elegance. Every aspect is designed to maximize space and efficiency, reflecting the Dutch philosophy of practicality combined with style. The galley ensures that meal preparation on longer voyages remains comfortable and convenient, with easy access to storage and working surfaces. The master cabin is a sanctuary on board, with a spacious double berth, polished wooden side tables, and built-in storage drawers. The varnished wood finish extends throughout, complemented by soft textiles that create a cozy atmosphere. Windows frame views of the harbor or open water, allowing natural light to flood the space. The layout is carefully designed to provide comfort and privacy while remaining connected to the overall flow of the yacht. Decorative touches and subtle nautical elements enhance the traditional Dutch character of the vessel. Guest accommodations are equally thoughtful, providing additional berths and storage without compromising comfort. The interior continues the theme of varnished wood, subtle lighting, and smooth cabin lines. Each space is designed for functionality and ease of movement, ensuring that even when fully crewed, everyone has a comfortable and practical place aboard. The head or bathroom is efficiently laid out with a marine toilet, sink, and shower, all surrounded by warm wood cabinetry and durable fixtures. Small portholes allow natural light, keeping the space bright and airy despite its compact size. This thoughtful design ensures that the bathroom remains practical and pleasant, even on longer trips. The engine room is a testament to functionality and reliability, with a clean and organized installation. The diesel engine is easily accessible, with polished metal components, hoses, pumps, and exhaust systems neatly arranged. Handrails and non-slip flooring ensure safety during maintenance, while ventilation keeps the space comfortable. This practical layout reflects the importance of reliability on a motorsailer, allowing owners to maintain and monitor the engine with ease, which is essential for long coastal voyages or open water trips. Performance-wise, the Smelne Veenje Kotter 980 strikes a balance between traditional sailing and motor cruising. Its round bilge steel hull offers stability and smooth passage through choppy waters, while the ketch rig allows versatile sailing configurations. The diesel engine provides reliable power for maneuvering in harbors or when wind conditions are light. Handling is predictable, responsive, and suited for both experienced sailors and those who prefer a relaxed cruising pace. The combination of sail and engine ensures flexibility, making this motorsailer ideal for extended cruising, exploring canals, or coastal passages in comfort. One of the defining characteristics of the Veenje Kotter 980 is its durability. Built in the mid-1970s, these yachts were designed to last, with steel hulls resistant to the wear of saltwater and wooden superstructures carefully maintained to withstand decades of use. Owners today often remark on the longevity of these vessels, noting that with proper maintenance, they remain as capable and beautiful as the day they were launched. The combination of traditional materials, skilled craftsmanship, and timeless design ensures that the yacht remains relevant and admired, even in a modern boating context. Another key feature is the integration of classic Dutch yacht design with practical live-aboard comfort. Wide side decks and well-placed handrails make moving around the exterior safe and easy, while interior layouts maximize usable space without feeling cramped. Storage is intelligently incorporated, from cabinetry in the salon and cabins to underdeck compartments, ensuring that longer voyages are comfortable and organized. The yacht's aesthetic charm is matched by functionality, providing a vessel that is as enjoyable to live aboard as it is to sail. The Smelne Veenje Kotter 980 also embodies the heritage and tradition of Dutch yacht building. Every aspect, from the varnished wood finishes to the meticulously fitted metalwork, showcases the pride of the shipyard in producing vessels that combine beauty with utility. The ketch rig, clean deck layout, and understated elegance of the design are hallmarks of Dutch craftsmanship, and owners often appreciate the sense of history and continuity when aboard. It is not just a yacht, it is a floating piece of maritime heritage that continues to inspire admiration and respect. From a lifestyle perspective, this motorsailer is perfect for those who appreciate a slower, more deliberate pace on the water. It encourages exploration, relaxation, and connection with the maritime environment. Its compact size allows it to access harbors, canals, and coves that larger yachts cannot, while its solid construction ensures confidence in varying conditions. Whether sailing along the Dutch coastline, cruising inland waterways, or enjoying harbor moorings, the Veenje Kotter 980 delivers a complete cruising experience steeped in tradition and elegance. In terms of investment, classic Smelne yachts like this have maintained their value remarkably well. Collectors and enthusiasts recognize the combination of durability, craftsmanship, and aesthetic appeal, making these vessels desirable even decades after their original launch. Maintaining a vessel of this quality requires attention and care, but the rewards are substantial, providing both a functional yacht and a piece of maritime history. The sense of pride in ownership, combined with the joy of sailing or motoring in such a beautiful classic, makes this yacht a unique experience. When evaluating the Smelne Veenje Kotter 980, it becomes clear that it excels in multiple areas. The exterior presents timeless beauty and practical functionality. The interior provides comfort and usability without sacrificing style. The sailing and motoring performance are reliable and adaptable. And the overall construction ensures longevity and resilience. Every design choice reflects the priorities of classic Dutch yacht building: safety, efficiency, beauty, and practicality. For anyone considering a motorsailer that combines heritage, usability, and charm, this yacht is an outstanding choice. In conclusion, the Smelne Veenje Kotter 980 Dutch motorsailer is more than just a boat. It is a celebration of traditional craftsmanship, elegant design, and functional versatility. From the striking red hull and varnished wood superstructure to the detailed interior, functional galley, comfortable cabins, and practical engine room, every detail contributes to a harmonious and enduring vessel. Its ketch rig and diesel engine provide flexibility and reliability for varied conditions, while the outdoor helm station and thoughtfully designed deck ensure safety and comfort. As a classic yacht, it offers not just a cruising experience but a connection to maritime history, embodying the timeless principles of Dutch yacht design. For sailors, enthusiasts, or collectors, the Smelne Veenje Kotter 980 remains a remarkable vessel, combining beauty, performance, and enduring craftsmanship in a package that continues to inspire admiration and enjoyment decades after it was built.